Hello again, friends. We've got another item. Just shoes this week. This last week of Supreme, the drop for week 10, I think it is. Yeah, week 10. So, the North Face, right? Nothing I really thought was that cool. I mean, Statue of Liberty doesn't mean very much to me. I kind of know the story behind it and still, whatever. So, but cool statue for New York, right? A staple for New York. Regardless, I tried to go after a ton of different stuff. I was able to add it to cart, but then the checkout button on the app never showed up. So 10 minutes goes by, still not able to get anything. I finally just decide to go after the green crew neck, and I was easily able to grab that green sweater 11 minutes after the drop had already happened. Checkout button was there, typed in all my information, had it sent off, and then on Monday, I get this email. Well, I check the tracking basically every day just to see, you know, make sure it's still coming. But yeah, look at this tracking number. Really just puts a downer on things. I was like, come on, people. I sent him an email and was asking why it was canceled, what happened. It's just a Polartec crew neck. They're still available on the website, and I never use bots. That's not who I am. I just use the app, or apparently I need to use the website now. So I'm gonna try and do that tomorrow. Some different things I want to get tomorrow. I'm thinking about the headquarters pullover hoodie, or possibly maybe that patch leather shoulder bag. That might be kind of cool. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna want more, but those are the first two items I'll be going after. Anyways, yeah, so I don't have any Supreme today. This is why. Sorry it was such a long explanation. We are going to get into these shoes. And remember, I do have a raffle going on. And once I get to 2,500 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away a couple of different little Supreme items in a little goodie bag. So DM me on Instagram. Give me your name, first and last, and your shipping address. You would want it shipped to United States only for right now. And yeah, I'll get that set up for you to be in the raffle. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click the like button, and we're going to break into these AJ wants receipts. These are straight from the Sneakers app. I was able to win the drawing for these. I didn't win the drawing for the Fear of Gods. Big surprise. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and look at the ones I did get. I'm really not going to be wearing these, I don't think. I don't really like the pictures of them that much because they're just too shiny for me. So I don't really want to do an on feet, but I will show you guys the box, the shoes, everything, you know, like we normally do. Oh. There's that label outside. All the way around the box. Got a little bit of text on the bottom. And yeah, Nike swoosh. Size 10.5. These definitely are going to be fitting true to size. Normally that's how it always is. And then this paper on the inside has this print just over and over and over. You can read that if you want. But now, let's just open these up. Some white tissue paper underneath. Oh man, these are so loud. Oh man, these are loud. It's got that cool rubber tag right away. You can see it. Limits like fears are just often an illusion. Quoted by the great Michael Jordan. I'm gonna go ahead and get the other one out here. Oh, and then also there is this card that they put in there. It just doesn't open or anything. It's just this really thick piece of cardboard. Limits like fears are just often an illusion again. And then the signature from Michael Jordan. With these shoes, you've got a ton of this patent leather. I think that's what it's called when it's super glossy like this. You've just got it on everything. Everything except for the tongue. The tongue is just this black waterproof type material. Nothing too fancy, but looks like it is water resistant. And then the rest of the upper is leather. All leather, right? We got the Air Jordan emblem. This is actually a really cool feature. I like how it's sort of gold under there. They made like a little dome for that emblem, make it even more of a shiny shoe. You got that leather going all the way around, like I was saying. Shiny everywhere. The red bottom, it is a pretty good color match to the red. Normally when you do a sole and an upper, the colors don't quite match, but they did a pretty decent job. I mean, there's definitely quite a bit more of a brick red color in the bottoms of these. And then you have much more of a, I don't know, a deep red for the upper. It's not crazy out there, really loud, super bright red. It's a little subtle, but because it's so shiny, it makes that red still really intense. Let's draw my box. I guess the last thing I can show you guys is the insole. It does have that fear crossed out, and then the text that's on that paper, just again on the insole. Let's see, here's the tag on the inside of the shoe. I haven't actually been showing you guys these lately, but there is your tag if anybody wants to see that. not a superb shot, but And that just about wraps it up. Let me know what you guys think, and also thank you everybody who's been praying for me or sending me positive vibes, all that stuff. I've been really battling a bunch of mucus in my lungs, and it's making it really hard for me to breathe. I'm outside working every day in sub-degree temperature, so breathing that really cold air right now, 6 to 8 hours a day, it is taking it out of me a little bit, but I'm slowly, progressively getting better. It just takes longer because of my work situation. I'm outside all the time, and yeah. Also with our little foster kid, he's definitely doing a lot better. The kid will have some intense tantrums here and there, but they're not nearly as angry or aggressive as when we first had them. And really, that's just by example. It's by me showing love every single moment I possibly could. So that leads me into our next part of this YouTube review. I've got the YouVersion Bible app. I'm going to read you a little verse. Isaiah 40 verse 29 says, "He gives power to the weak and strength to the powerless." God is all about lifting up those people who are down in the dumps, who are dealing with illness, who are dealing with sickness, who are dealing with just stuff that is going against them and trying to tear them down. God wants to build us all up. And so every moment that you have, you can work towards being an influence into the people's lives around you. You can help teach them how to be positive, how to be kind to other people. And I'm not going to say I'm perfect. I still have moments where I lose it and situations are a little bit too much for me, but I don't let it hold me down. I know that God is a God who forgives. God is a God who gives grace to everybody. And so if we just work on building ourselves up, we're following the way of Jesus. If we work on making ourselves more positive, making other people more positive, we're following the way of Jesus. So anyways, I love y'all. I'll see you next week when I actually have another Supreme item. Sorry guys. It just didn't work out this week. And the reason why I think that it got canceled is because after I placed the order for the green Polartec crew neck, I sent a reply email to the order confirmation and said I was going after North Face, I was going after the Paisley shirt, that one that was fuzzy or whatever, and I thought it was pretty cool, and I couldn't press the checkout button. The checkout button didn't show, so I sent him an email about that, and I told him that I ended up having to get the Polartec sweater in green because it was the only thing left I really wanted to go after, but they did not interpret that email the way that I thought they would. They went ahead and canceled the order, return to sender. So don't be complaining to Supreme if you don't get the items you want, because they'll probably just send back the item that you ended up getting, even if it's still on their website. You can just place the order again, which I did not do. I'm just gonna let that crew neck just slide. If I wasn't supposed to have it, I wasn't supposed to have it. That's just how it is. But anyways, love y'all, and yeah, whoops, see you in the next one.